Good afternoon. So, we are in the middle of our biggest snowstorm in 2 years. So, I thought, why not have some grilled cheese and tomato soup? What do you all think? I did change it up though, of course I did. So, first I used the cheese I got in Vermont from the place that does the Cobb smoke cheese. So this one is going to be, I think this is is this the pepper jack? Well, let's find out. So this is a pepper jack, and I drizzled it with maple syrup. I like the sweet. I wish there was more heat to it. Let's dip it into our tomato bisque. That's sweet. Okay. Needs something. The next one, okay. So this one is with pepper jelly. With the This is still the pepper jack. Okay. With the soup. That's good. I like the pepper jelly. Gives it a little kick, a little something different. But the heat, I'm missing heat. Um, so this one has heat. So those were both pepper jack, um, Cobb smoked, mixed with cheddar Cobb smoked cheese. So those had both on it. So this is just cheddar Cobb smoked cheese. And I'm using a harvest wheat bread. Let's see. This has the what is it? Damn it! I can't think of the name. The harissa. I don't know. The spicy African chili paste. That was a big bite. And there's the heat. I like that. And I think that goes well with the Cobb smoked cheese. Let's dip it into some soup. That is the bomb. I'm getting the heat. I'm getting the sweetness. Mm, that's my favorite. I wonder if I take. Here, let's mix the chorizo. Mix them. So this has the pepper jack and the harissa paste. It's good, but just the harissa paste and the cheese, bread, and the soup, that's good. Then this is the boring one. This is just the cheese on the bread with the soup. It does allow the cheese to shine more. I do like that. Mm. I wish they sold this cheese elsewhere, but they only sell it there in their store in Vermont or online. They don't co-pack it. It doesn't come from anywhere else. You can't go to the grocery store and get it. They say it's a small family-run business or a family-run business. It's not small. It's a big store. They do a lot, but they can only handle the orders that they get for the store and online, so they don't sacrifice their quality go elsewhere. This is a good lunch. And the soup I'm having, this is a Campbell's Slow Kettle Tomato and Basil. So that is pretty good. I usually don't eat all the food. I usually just taste it. I'm either hungry or this is really good. I'm going with the latter on that one. Alright. Last bite. My plate is empty. I just have my soup. Cheers. All right. Back to the snowstorm. This was pretty good. Try some smoked cheese, especially if it's smoked in a unique way, like this is with the corn cobs. It's really good. So check them out. There's another video I made trying their cheeses and meats and walking around their store in Vermont. So check out that video as well. And I will see you soon.